Hey guys, I'm Stephanie, and this is Steph's Stove, and today we're going to be making a delicious dip using none other than Nutter Butter cookies. We're making Nutter Butter dip. This dip is super yummy, and if you're a peanut butter or a Nutter Butter fan, this is absolutely for you. So, let me show you how to do it. All right, for our dip, we're going to take 1 8-ounce block of cream cheese that's been softened to room temperature. Get it in there. All this extra cream cheese off. Remember, don't leave any behind. Get that in the bowl. And then we're going to take our hand mixer here, and we are going to mix this up until it's a nice, creamy, smooth consistency. So here we go. We're going to start on low, and we're going to kind of increase to high speed. Kind of gets at that cream cheese to get it nice and soft and fluffy before we add the rest of our ingredients to it. And remember, the softer your cream cheese is when you start, the easier this part will be. I want to scrape it down, make sure it's really nice and fluffy before we start adding our next ingredients. All right, that looks really good. Go ahead and scrape this down. So we want it really smooth and very wet at this point. Then we're going to go in and add 1 cup of powdered sugar. Get our powdered sugar in there. I'm going to start mixing this by hand before I start going back to the mixer because we don't want the powdered sugar going everywhere on us. I'm just going to take a second and kind of push it down and incorporate that into the cream cheese. And then we're going to blend this again. All right, let's blend again. Again, we'll start on low, go to medium, and then increase to high until we get it all nice and blended. Again, it's got to be very, very smooth. That's going to be the key to this. Very smooth consistency. Let's increase to medium. Get all that powdered sugar. It's nice and smooth. All right, let's stop just for a minute and move over. The next thing that we're going to add is peanut butter. And I'm going to use Jif. You can use any brand that you want. And we're going to add, I'm not really going to measure with a measuring spoon for this. I'm just going to use like a big dinner spoon for it. So I'm going to use about, I'd say, 2 tablespoons-ish. Little plus or minus there. If you want to use an exact measuring spoon, you can. But I don't mind if there's a little extra in there. We love peanut butter. Now we're going to blend this in and make sure all of these are nice and blended together. Again, I like to blend after each one so I know I have a good consistency. Make sure that peanut butter is all the way throughout the mixture. I'm just going to manually turn the bowl. Looking good, looking good. All right, let's stop the mixer. Now, remember it's Nutter Butter mix dip, so we got to add some Nutter Butters. And I didn't realize I bought double nutty, so that's going to be even better. What we want to do is get about 12 of these. So if you're not sure, this is what I'm talking about. It's little peanut cookies here. So we're going to take a Ziploc bag or zip top bag. We're going to take about 12 of them, so I'll do about 6 at a time. So 2, 4, 6, and put them in here. And then I'm just going to manually crush them. You can do it anyway, but to me it's just as easy because I want some smaller, some larger. So I'm just going to crush these up by hand. Peanut butter goodness together. Again, I don't want to put these in a food processor because I don't want them just crumbled to nothing. I want chunks of them in there, so I want to be able to control the size. If we get a chunky piece in there, that's even better. That's a lucky person that gets that bite of the dip. All right, so we're going to end up doing 12, so that was our first 6. We're going to take and add those in. Yeah. 2, 4, 6. So our second 12, which will be, just kind of one side of the package. We're going to do those about the same. You can do them all at one time, but I choose to do half and half. That way I can kind of see how big some of them are. Do I need to go smaller on the next round? Or so forth. We got our second one, our last batch. So we have now all 12 of them in there. Look at that goodness. Look, there's chunky cookies in there. Now you say, we're just going to blend it up. No, we're not. Now we're going to add 1 8-ounce container of Cool Whip to it. And I've already got this together. I had it sitting out so it got a little looser. That's fine. I had to get mine right from the freezer. And then we are going to blend this by hand to be sure everything is combined. Because we don't want to use the mixer again because we don't want our crackers or cookies to get just kind of smashed up to nothing. Listen to that sound. There's cookies all throughout it. So if you've got, most of us, Mother's Day is coming up. We've got graduations. I know we have one in our family. We have other events coming up. Tailgating. This is great for a tailgate. Just like I just got back from Talladega. Tailgating was everywhere. So this is a good alternative to something you think, well, it's spicy. It's a sweet dip to have at a tailgate. It's a great thing. Look at all that together. Look at that goodness. Now, this doesn't have to set up anytime. It is ready to go right now. That could be my bite. So, let's go ahead and move this over to a platter and get ready to dig in. All right, now when we get ready to serve it, I'm going to transition this. I'm just going to put it in a bowl and mound it up. Look at this. Oh my goodness. So if you're a fan of peanut butter and those Nutter Butters, that's why I like them chunky in there so you can get those big chunks. Look at that texture. I want it thick, mounded on top. Now you could use a bigger bowl, but I'm not going to. I want it all on top there because we're going to be digging in quickly. Then I'm going to take the rest of my package of Nutter Butters. Now you can also use fruit with this. You can use apple slices, will be great. You can use pretzels, graham crackers, whatever you like. But isn't it more appropriate to use a Nutter Butter to go in and get that wonderful bite right there? Yum, yum. I'm Stephanie. This has been Steph Stove. Today we made Nutter Butter dip. Look at this. Look at that creamy goodness. That's some kind of good. I'll be working on this in a minute. If you want an easy dip, you got a graduation coming up, you've got parties, tailgates, birthdays. Tomorrow's mine. Yay. Whatever the case is, this dip is easy, it's perfect, it's good, it's different. It is amazing. So, if you like this dip, give us a thumbs up. Click that subscribe button for more great content like this. Steph Stove, we're making memories, one dish at a time. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a wonderful day.